Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a number lying between 1 and 5? Now, for a single die, the total possible outcomes are 6. Okay, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the number lying between 1 and 5 are 2, 3, 4. That is, there are 3 numbers. Okay. Now, suppose E be the event of getting a number lying between 1 and 5. Okay, so N of E is, as there are 3 numbers lying between 1 and 5, so N of E will be 3. And we have seen that N of S means N of sample space is 6. So probability of E is N of E upon N of S. N of E upon N of S means three by 6, that is 1 by 2.